Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to make Discord background custom. Here's how to customize your Discord background using Discord's built-in features. First, open Discord settings. Open the Discord app on your device, mobile, or desktop. Tap the gear icon to open user settings. Next, navigate to appearance settings. Scroll down, and choose Appearance from the menu. Next, choose a theme. On the theme, choose either light or dark mode. Next, access customization options, Nitro featured required. If you have Discord Nitro, you'll see the color. Click on Preview Theme, then you can choose from different colors provided by Discord Nitro. To unlock this, you have to unlock the Nitro. Now, let us exit Nitro by clicking this. Now go to Streamer Mode, then disable the Enable Streamer Mode to access the profiles. Now go to Profiles. Here, you can change the profile banner color. And once you scroll down even further, you can see the preview over a customization of the Discord Nitro provided by you. Once you access Discord Nitro, you can change its profile theme, banner, profile effects. By changing this, you can make your background more customized. Next, save changes. Click Save or Apply to set your custom background. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.